Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend like I am. I do want to talk about the sudden price increase for NIO stock and how it's gone up $10 in the past 6 days, which is incredible. I've seen people get $1,000 gains in a single day, and just beyond that, I've seen people get $10,000 in a day just from holding thousands of NIO shares. That's because they bought early. These are early investors. So to all of you NIO holders that invested early on, when I was talking about NIO back when it was $3, $4 per share, you guys are the real winners, because if you have strong hands and you're gonna stay holding onto NIO, this is gonna be the trend. You're gonna keep getting $1,000 gains every single day as the company grows in value and stuff. Because right now we're actually we're seeing that NIO is at a 56 billion market cap. So around that just puts it above General Motors, Ferrari, BMW already. So the fact that there's a Chinese company, actually there's two Chinese companies in the top 5, there's or top 10 I want to say, but eventually NIO is going to crack the top 5 and get above Mercedes. But it's NIO and also BYD are the only two Chinese companies really in the top, like, that are fighting for the top 5 spots right now, because that's what they're trying to do. I mean, NIO is trying to get up there. We always see USA, Japan, and Germany, right? We see those companies as top 3. But who knows? What if like 2 or 3 years from now we see NIO up there as a top 3 contender, against these other companies, like in terms of market cap? That would be insane. NIO versus the whole world type thing. We do know that there's other EV makers like Xpeng that are from China that are also going to be doing well in the future, but right now the market cap for Xpeng is 26 billion. So 26 billion was like where NIO was at like just a month ago in terms of market cap. NIO was like around 25 billion like during October, beginning of October, late September. So yeah, it's just incredible. Now I do want to talk about what the president of NIO said at the HiFi plant. So this was recent. This is a tweet from Moneyball, but he said that this is what the president said from NIO. He said, "We plan to introduce double shifts the second half of November, as in October our single shift production capacity of 5,000 vehicles a month was filled. And beside adding a shift, we have a room for increasing capacity via partial factory reconstruction," he added. So we are going to see expansion in their factory so that they can actually produce more cars and keep up with demand. So that's always bullish in my opinion. NIO has unveiled the 100 kilowatt per hour battery with the cell to pack design, and lets owners upgrade if they want. So that's also some more bullish news to you guys who are NIO holders, man. This should be amazing, because apparently, according to this article, that will be something that will make other EV owners like Tesla and Xpeng, car owners, that will make them envious towards NIO owners, because this is something that is offered to NIO right now as a battery as a service type thing that they're including into incorporating into their company and app and everything. So you're able to have options when it comes to charging your car, and how you want to do that, and how much you can decide and control how much you want to pay per month if you're deciding to lease or rent one of these battery packs. So that's going to be good news for the future of NIO. That's going to dictate where the EV market is going in terms of innovation, and it's going to foster more competition between these companies. So that's going to be great. Now, looking at the chart signals for NIO right now, we see that there's a bullish flag being formed. So NIO is looking for a breakout Monday and a retest of the all-time high. The all-time high being around $43 to $44. That kind of area, we should expect NIO to get there, especially with the newfound volume and that's being pushed through options, call options. People buying call options for $45 to $50 for November 13 and beyond. So that's going to be something that's going to increase the price of NIO, because a lot of money changing hands for this company, between this company. So yeah, now these are pictures of the NIO space that was just recently opened, and you guys can get an idea of what these spaces look like, so that if you ever decide to become a NIO car owner, then you will be able to have access to these spaces to hang out, collaborate with other owners, and just chill. So I do know that this is old, guys, but this is still very relevant, because this was the catalyst for NIO reaching $43. If anything made it reach $43, I would say it was this, and also the ongoing good news of like the deliveries for October and just stuff like that. You know, momentum has just been pushing this price up so much, but this was a catalyst because Citi actually upgraded the stock from $33.20 to $46 US. So you know, we haven't even seen 46 yet, but I think that's coming soon, very soon. I think before the quarter 3 earnings report is released for NIO. So guys, you guys should definitely get into NIO. I've been calling NIO a lot lately. I've been telling you guys to buy when it was at $22 just a couple weeks ago. Like 3 weeks ago, I was telling you guys to buy NIO at 22 when it was actually in the red. Now that NIO is in the red right now at $41, if you're still on the fence on whether or not to invest in NIO, this should be the video that gets you to become a NIO holder and start investing in you know, EV companies if you haven't done so already. Like if you own plenty of Tesla stock, then you should be fine. But if you don't own any at all, then and you want to get into NIO before it reaches that kind of level in the future, then yeah, this is the time to invest into this company is now. Like you got to do that now because it's in the red and it's going to get to $46. And guess what happens when it gets to 46? Another price target increase by some other analyst or institution. So yeah, I don't think NIO is going to be profitable quarter 3 yet. I think that they're going to be really close to being profitable, but not yet. And the reason why I believe that is because if this ends up being true, the picture I'm looking at right now, or the Twitter post, based on what the NIO president said at the HiFi plant, he said that they are introducing a double shift or a second additional shift during the second half of November. And this is to increase production. If this is the case, then that means that during quarter 4, because quarter 3 is basically done with. I mean, during quarter 4 and beyond, they should be increasing their output and how many cars they're able to basically produce, and that would mean that they're able to meet demand from the customers. So that will not only increase the revenues, but also will increase deliveries. So I think based on that, we can tell that NIO is gonna do very well quarter 4 2020 and quarter 1 of 2021, and that's the main reason, is because they're doubling their production by introducing those second or double shifts. So yeah, that's good news, guys. Like I've been saying. So I believe still that quarter 3 is gonna be better than quarter 2 of 2020, and it's gonna be better than the same quarter a year ago, but I just don't think that quarter 3 will be the quarter where NIO is profitable yet. At least I think they're going to become very close, and we're going to see that. It's still going to be good news and bullish and all this and that. But when NIO is going to shine, I think it's going to happen either quarter 4 of 2020 or quarter 1 of 2021. That's my prediction. I think a lot of you guys can agree with that based on what we've seen, and the fact that they're adding or introducing double shifts during the second half of November, which that from that point forward is basically quarter 4. You know, because quarter 4 started October, so it's October, November, and December of 2020. So yeah, that's during the halfway point of quarter 4. So yes, I do believe that quarter 4 is going to be a lot better than quarter 3 of 2020, and we might see profit in quarter 4, even if it's just a little bit, but we will see profit. That's my prediction, guys. This is not financial advice, so I'm not a financial advisor either. That legal disclaimer is in the description. If you guys want to read that, but yeah, only invest after you do your own due diligence and research the company that you're putting your money into. Now that that's out of the way, I just want to say this is, like I said, not financial advice, but what I would do, technically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy more of NIO, and I know it's gonna get to at least $75. Like they're gonna raise the price target beyond 46 once we reach 46, which is gonna happen before quarter 3 results release. And after that releases and it's good news, we are going to reach probably $50 for NIO. So by then we're going to have a price target way above 50, hopefully around 55 to 65. That means that, you know, with all the catalysts and stuff like that, moving the price up and momentum, we're going to reach probably like $75 by the end of the year. So I am upgrading the stock. I think this is a good buy. But again, do your own due diligence, guys, and invest, you know, after you do your research and you see what I'm seeing right now. And I have a vision, and that vision includes me making money off this stock in the next few years. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then definitely hit the like button, comment on it. Also, if you're new, subscribe. If you're new to investing, there's a link in the description for free stocks. Don't miss out on getting that free money. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.